7 best ways to naturally whiten yellow teeth at home. Lemon juice and water. A mixture of equal parts lemon juice and water will help restore whiteness to your teeth and completely disinfect your oral cavity. To test this out, mix 1 teaspoon of water with 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Brush your teeth thoroughly with the combined liquids and then rinse it out. After that, brush your teeth again, this time with your regular toothpaste. Do this just once a week. Another possible method is to apply the water-lemon mixture directly onto your teeth and leave it there like a mask for about 10 minutes. After the time's up, rinse your mouth out with water. You can do this twice a week for better results. Apple cider vinegar and water. Apple cider vinegar is a highly powerful cleansing and disinfecting agent. It removes stains and kills all the bacteria in your mouth. Simply dilute half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and use this homemade mouthwash every morning before brushing your teeth. Don't worry, the water balances out the acidity of the vinegar, so it's totally fine to use this mixture daily. Another equally effective method is to simply rub apple cider vinegar directly onto your teeth. Leave it for about 5 minutes and then rinse your mouth with water. However, you can do this more concentrated version only once a week, of course, because the vinegar can break down the tooth enamel, so be careful.